Bro, have you noticed something about the world lately? Parang everywhere you look, may conflict. Yeah, bro, I see it too. It's everywhere. Yeah, bro, while we collect trash every morning, the world is producing a different kind of garbage. You mean war? Exactly. Look at the conflict in Russia and Ukraine, then Israel and Gaza. Different places, same human behavior. Funny thing is, garbage and war follow the same pattern. Garbage doesn't become a disaster overnight. It piles up, little by little, until one day it stinks.
Pare, tingnan mo yung aso kagat yung diaper. Ay, oo, kinakain. Grabe, basura na naging pagkain. Payatas talaga.
You know what's ironic, pare? What? Our podcast, Out Here in the Trash. Yeah, ironic. The people who create the mess are rarely the ones who clean it. Siguro need natin magpagpag. You mean kakain tayo? No, I mean magpagpag ng sama ng loob. Kain tayo pagpag.